Suppose you have a hard disk drive which is set to secondary for storage, and you have an SSD. It can be NVMe M.2 or SATA SSD, where you have stored your operating system. And your hard disk, which is the secondary storage device, it always gets disabled. That is, after a few minutes, let's say 20 minutes or 30 minutes, after that period of time, it automatically switches off, that is, stops spinning. So it can cause problems, because if you go to this PC, and suppose I have my local disk C, so this is my SSD, and D and E, these two drives are accessed from the hard disk drive. That is, I am accessing these two drives from the hard disk, and when I click on double click on this D drive, so when it's opening, and at that point of time, at that particular moment, my hard disk, that is the secondary storage device, it again gets enabled. Now we are going to solve this problem. Stick around till the end of the video, do not skip the video, and there is a request to all of you that those who are watching this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and the like aim for this video is only 5 likes. We are aiming 5 likes. Okay, so let's jump into the problem now. So what we are going to do over here is very simple. This computer, the computer from which I am recording this video, this does not have any SSDs. So I will be going to the control panel, and if you don't see this kind of a large icon setting, you can click on view by, go to category, or it can be like this in case of your computer. So go to category, do it large icons, and go to power options, and after that you would see balanced recommended. Okay, this is the default setting. So go to change plan settings, and from here you have to click change advanced power settings, and from here you have to take this option hard disk, and you can see turn off hard disk after 20 minutes, and you have to do it never. Okay, here it is, never, and you have to click apply and then OK. So I am not doing this because my computer has no SSD. I just use this hard disk to use this computer. Now the next setting that is really important is the USB settings. So the USB setting should be enabled. You should disable this setting. Okay, the USB setting, USB selective suspended setting. So you do not want to suspend your hard drive when it is not in use. You always need to make it active. So what will this do? This will make your hard drive always active, and whenever you access it, it won't start spinning from the start. Okay, now the problem that arises if you have that kind of a hard disk, and if it behaves like that, your Windows 10 computer, which is running on an SSD and has a hard disk as your secondary storage device, your computer may often freeze or may lag sometimes, so these are the problems you can face. So my recommendation is that use SSD as your primary. It can be NVMe M.2 or SATA, and use another SSD, not hard disk, use another SSD as your secondary one. So thanks for watching this video. As I said earlier, subscribe to the channel. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos, and also do consider liking this video, and I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.